Hello everyone, and today I will be telling you how Marrow Edition 5 videos are miracle for PG or next aspirants. So how this pandemic has affected the medical students. The real problem appears for the aspirants appearing for the next or NEET PG is what exposure they are about to get in their internship or the final prof, the clinical cases, the clinical postings, all their chances of the clinical learning are very much affected, as mostly the medical colleges and hospitals in India were admitting only 10% of the clinical cases and 90% cases are of the pandemic. So also, if there are some patients, not everyone can go and examine the patients due to scare of the pandemic. So there was a need of something that can overcome this issue. Now, how this clinical core edition, the Marrow edition 5, a rescuer to all the aspirants facing the same issue. Now, how it is a game changer, how medicine Marrow edition 5 is a game changer. Like, more importantly, it focuses on the case based learning, which is nowadays the trending pattern for all the PG exams, especially the next and the INICET. So the video lectures and topics are now designed in a case pattern. So how your video starts now in the new pattern, I've seen many of the videos. A patient comes to you with chief complaints of dash dash dash, also gives the history, the past history, the medical past history, the surgical past history. On examination you found that, and what is your diagnosis. So this is how they're helping you in improving your approach to solve a clinical question in the exam. Now the videos, how they are designed, like clinical images are involved in, especially in the dermatology, and easy to answer image based questions more commonly asked in dermatology, and helpful in identifying the disorders which are very confusing to diagnose, like trichomonias and non-gonococcal urethritis, and all the other images now you will see. And now this was the dermat part. Now the radiology part, as per the changing pattern, radiology instruments, how they work, how you can assess radiographical images and make a correct diagnosis out of it. So helpful in solving the clinical image based questions. Now how a USG works, what are the white things, gray things, black, and what is hyperechoic, isoechoic, and hypoechoic, these three things, and pleural effusion, and the atypical imaging findings like the CPM angle blunting, and hemothorax, pneumothorax, and all the many of the things you can diagnose. Now the clinical core edition media medicine videos, and how they are helpful because they included the charts and diagrams from Harrison and other standard textbooks. Most of the MCQs are framed from the books only and helpful in solving the clinical questions with the correct approach and with the same standard textbook. Now, can you imagine medicine can be completed in 80 hours? So Med 80, they have launched this new thing in Marrow Edition 5. And how is this useful? It is useful for the FMG students, the interns, and who are restarting their preparation, and also the people who are planning to revise by seeing the videos. So you can complete medicine and in 80 hours. Now how is this medicine 80 looks like, how he, the Dr. Rakesh, has covered all the topics in medicine. He has covered all the important topics in medicine, helpful in crisp revision before any competitive exam, all India exam. And this includes the video from all important topics most frequently asked in the exams. Now brushing your concepts in short and helping you to solve the clinical images questions and clinical core questions as well. So you can see the example, the polo mint sign. So you can remember by seeing the image of a polo and all the things, image based questions. And if see, he's explaining some drugs, so side effects and all the things, he's been covering all the things at the same place. So this is a great thing, and this is how he's able to finish almost the most important topics in medicine in 80 hours. Now the case examination videos, the surgery videos, very helpful in brushing your clinical approach, how you will be seeing the hernia cases, and the videos, the root of the scrotum, how will you feel the deep ring, superficial ring, all the things. Now clinical case videos along with the intraoperative and the post-operative result, and help you understand the real anatomy, the intra pictures that make you understand the relative structure so well. This is the vein, this is the nerve, and all the things, and you will be able to understand the anatomy at the same place. So you're covering two subjects at the same place at the same time while viewing the videos. Now what will your approach to manage, see, this is a video concentrating on like how to manage a polytrauma patient in emergency. So to manage an emergency case of polytrauma, what are the investigations you will be able to advise? NCCT head and chest x-ray, PA view, USG fast. If you see free fluid in that, and you can see any hemothorax or pneumothorax or any kind of SDH, EDH, and all the things. So this is very helpful for managing a patient in emergency. So you will be able to have a good idea about it. Now, how to assess and understand the confusing X-rays in orthopedics. So Dr. Abbas Ali has done a great job, I think, in this edition by explaining the X-ray images and make you understand the real defect or abnormality while looking at an X-ray. So if you get a question from an X-ray, you will be able to from the orthopedics, you will be able to find out where is the actual defect and what is the defect, because these are so confusing that that is the maximum chances of making a question wrong. Now in pediatrics, the clinical images of the rare cases have been included in this case scenario discussions, and these new updates have been included in this edition. What I think is very much helpful for PG aspirants or next aspirants as per the changing trend. Like there is a case of achondroplasia, and you can see the real image picture. You will be able to diagnose it so well if you get a clinical picture from the same in the exam. Also, the case scenarios, see how the patient presents to you and what are the signs you can notice in it, and all the things you can see. Now, how these videos have been designed and the clinical pictures along with the radiological investigations, making you understand better that every aspect, and so that no point of importance is missed and you can mark the right answer. Like, see, the clinical images have been included, and as well as the USG picture from the same thing has been included, so that if you have been asked the question like in a manner that they have given a radiological picture, you will be able to diagnose that same thing, and if they have given that clinical picture, you will be able to diagnose the same thing. So in any case, you will not be marking the wrong answer. This is very important. Like Live Plus videos, this is launched in the Mero edition 5, discussing the next pattern exam questions, the clinical approach brushing videos, very useful in solving the clinical questions and will help in clearing your concepts as well. See, this is a clinical case and how you have to approach. See what you have to look in a clinical question, like is it diabetes and 10 weeks, HbA1c is 9%. What will be your next logical step? What will be your next move? What will be your next investigation you will advise? So these are the new trending pattern nowadays, and these will be asked. Also, the questions can be framed from a non-clinical subject. The clinical questions can be framed from the non-clinical subject as well. And this is very helpful in the videos, that there is an approach to understand the facts inside the questions and not to get confused in this and mark the correct response. See what you have looked for, like what is epilepsy, consciousness, and deficits affects short-term memory and all the things, and what part of the brain is affected. So you have to look for the symptoms and all the things. Now clinical questions that has been asked previously in the all India exams, next exam, these questions have been included in this update videos, and legendary teachers will teach you how to approach these kind of questions. So this question is asked in AIIMS May 2015, this clinical type of questions. So they can many of the times clinical questions and the questions are repeated or the same topic is repeated, so you need to study these also. Now these videos are designed in this pattern, like including what will you learn in these videos, what are the problems that the students face in these videos, and what will be solved, and what questions can be asked that you can answer if you watch that particular video. So these are the features that are included in the Mero edition 5 videos. Now my conclusion is like, in my honest review, this new Mero edition 5 update is a boon for NEET PG aspirants who have been, I've just told, that less clinical exposure. See, clinical questions you can do on tips, and medicine 80 completing the quick review of medicine in 80 hours. This is the best thing I can say in this clinical edition, clinical core edition. Image based clinical questions in almost all the videos and all the cases, clinical case scenarios like live case scenarios, Mero Live Plus videos, including the new pattern, that new changing pattern of that questions have been. So this is the, I think, the best ever update for the next or NEET PG aspirant till date. And if you study this by your whole heart, I'm damn sure that you will be able to get a great rank in this next exam. So all the best everyone, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me below in the comments. Thank you.